Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So first of all, let's look at the economy calendar here because this will be very important for the day. Because today we have many market driving events coming up. So as we all know, whenever there is an event, we see extreme volatility in the market. So any USD pair will witness heavy volatility. So please use proper stop loss and risk management. Keep in mind, this is your money and it's your duty to protect it. Okay, so today do not trade without stop loss and use proper risk management. Okay, we can see retail sales report coming up, then we have Fed interest rate decision, so it will be a big day. So let's look at the chart of Euro USD now. So here is our beloved Euro USD. As you can see that I have got many lines here on the chart. Usually I prefer to keep my chart clean, but these levels are important for Euro USD, so I would like to discuss one by one. But before I proceed, I would like to take you to DXY here because DXY's movement will be very important for the day, because when the reports will be out one by one, we will see the actual movement on the US dollar chart. So, and as we all know that there is a correlation between DXY and Euro USD. So knowing the body language, knowing the important levels of DXY is also very crucial. Okay, DXY right now trading at 98.88. This is the current market price of DXY, and as you can see that DXY is an uptrend taking support at a 50 moving average, and here we have resistance around 99.40 to 99.50. This is the resistance of DXY. But one thing that we must understand about this chart is that though we have a resistance at the top, but you can see that market is not breaking the previous lows, or in simple words, this is an ascending triangle pattern. Ascending triangle pattern. In ascending triangle pattern, we have a resistance at the top whenever market goes down, but market does not cross the previous low. Rather, market forms new lows. Okay, and this is an indication that new buyers are joining the market, and there is a high chance, high possibility of market breaking the resistance and going up. So we have a perfect ascending triangle pattern on the chart of DXY. So therefore there is a good possibility that DXY will break the resistance and will be going up. So be very careful. And yes, as we all know that we have got some important events also coming up, so be careful. So now let's look at the chart of Euro USD here. So though market is trading here in the middle, okay, so if you have a buy position already, okay, if you have a buy position on Euro USD already, then you can continue with the buy position. But if you're looking for a fresh buy or fresh sell on Euro USD, then I'll say that this is not the right moment, because as I always say, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. If you take a buy position here, your risk to reward ratio is not much in your favor, and if you also take a sell, the risk to reward ratio is not much in your favor. So waiting for the right moment is very important here. So if market starts coming down, okay, as the day passes, if market starts coming down, then observe the market around 1.0900. This level will be very important, and there is a high chance of market bouncing from this level. Okay, so if market comes down, then there is a high chance of market bouncing. If market bounces, we can definitely go for a buy position, and we will get the confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern, any good price rejection from below. Once you see that price is being rejected from below, this will give you the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in the level and you can go for a buy. Okay, so this level is important. But yes, let's say news came out and there is a sharp fall on Euro USD, and if you see a big fat red candle at the support, then do not go for a buy. Never forget that these levels are not permanent. Okay, therefore we need confirmation. Okay, so without confirmation, do not trade. That is very important. So if market bounces, go for a buy. But on the other hand, if we see that there is a heavy fall in the market, and if market breaks the level of 1.0900, you can go for a sell as well. Yes, you can go for a sell, and your target will be around this level. Okay, and if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not want to trade during the news, you can avoid it as well. Okay, and we have the ultimate support on Euro USD around 1.0809. This is the ultimate support for Euro USD. There is a high chance of market bouncing. So there is a high chance of market bouncing from this level. In case due to some event market, if market fails also, okay, to bounce from this level, I think that there is a high chance of market bouncing from this level. So keep your eyes on these two levels. Under normal circumstances, okay, listen to me carefully. Under normal circumstances, market should bounce from here. Okay, and we can go for buy. But under abnormal circumstances, okay, if market fails to bounce from here, then keep your eyes on this level. There is a high chance of market bouncing from this level as well. Okay. On the other hand, if market starts going up, okay, if market starts going up, then you can look for a sell. You can look for a sell around 1.1070275. Around this level, you can look for a sell as well. And ultimately, this is the resistance for the market. So around these levels, there is a possibility of market facing selling pressure. Okay, so if you see that price is being rejected from above, market is unable to go up, market is facing severe price rejections from above, this will give you the confirmation that sellers are present, and you can go for a sell position as well at the resistance. Okay, so buy at support and sell at the resistance, and please be careful during the events. And as I said, use proper stop loss and risk management. See, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so it's your duty to protect your hard-earned money. I'm also a learner. Okay, see, yes, I have a considerable experience of around 9 years, but still I have got many things to learn. I am also learning. So if you think that I have missed something, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you as well. Bye bye, take care.